We'll start with the merge. We begin looking early, so we'll have plenty of time to find an adequate gap and room to accelerate after we find one. Any gap should be large enough to give us at least 2 seconds in front and 2 seconds behind. We can't count on drivers to let us into a gap that isn't large enough.
If we have to pause, we do it early, so we have the length of the acceleration lane to build up to the speed of traffic. It's important to make absolutely sure of a gap before committing to it. Aborting can be dangerous.
When we merge onto a highway, we need to turn around in order to see the highway. What makes it particularly difficult is that we're moving, and we have to look ahead at the same time.
Quick glances behind will let us see traffic on the road and find a gap to merge into. Ah, behind that gray car.
Now, because of the way we've adjusted the mirrors, we can generally see the cars on the highway in the left mirror.
Ah, there's the gray car. Just a few more seconds. It's past us. Now we can merge. But first, one more look behind just to make sure.
Sometimes a car will speed up and close the gap, or pull into it from the far lane. But not this time. Again, we need to make it quick. The most difficult merge is when cars are in front of us. Here we need to share our attention between the cars ahead and those on the main road.
Most of the merging accidents are collisions with a car ahead that is stopped. By keeping looks behind very short, we're able to see what's happening ahead. If we wait until no one is in front of us, we are free to concentrate on the merge.
Most freeways have long merge lanes that let us keep going while we look for a gap. But some merge lanes are short, and we have to stop and wait for a chance. Here, we need to wait until the cars ahead have merged and the way is clear.
If we were to be looking behind, we wouldn't see that the car ahead has stopped.
This is one of the big contributors to merge crashes. We can't assume the way is clear unless we see that it is clear. Even then, we don't start forward without looking first. Any change in position on the road, whether to change lanes or to merge, requires the use of our mirrors and quick looks behind. What's the best move here? Ordinarily, we might do that driver a favor by moving to the left lane.
But remember, as we approached, we were watching the mirrors and saw that car passing us. So the only alternative is to slow down while the car enters.
What do we do next?
We expect that a passing car may pull into the deceleration lane and block our path.